Ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome back. And guess where we're going? If it doesn't say it already. Happy Friday. We're going to the gym and we're gonna have some food after. Welcome or welcome back. Can't believe I'm saying that to my 22 followers. But so excited. It's been a week. It was supposed to be a short week because of MLK. I felt like this week was 2 weeks long. But we might have a snowstorm this weekend, so let's go work out so we can earn it.
Nothing.
We're about to go in such good shoulder lesson. Morning. I'm heading to an early workout. I think I didn't even finish the vlog yesterday. We had dinner, we came home, showered, passed out. Heading to the gym. Right now, like, we're supposed to be waiting a snowstorm tonight. It's 42 degrees and it feels like 25. I have my eye patches on. They're like little angel wings. Let's go take coconut cold. Oh, it's leaking. And cleared it. Brush your teeth, wash your face, and look. Guys, I'm so sleepy. Oh no, you're moving. Okay, I'll hold you. I'm so tired. My husband just jumped onto the whole Aura Ring situation, and he got the one that's like the slimmer, that's basically like the Aura Ring, but it's the other company that makes them like thinner bands. But we're heading to the gym, like I said. It's 9:45 right now. I have a class at 10 a.m. I like doing classes on the weekends if I'm not going with him. And if we go together, we typically like do cardio and then some weights. But we're gonna go there now. I'm going with my cousin, the one that you guys saw last night. That's my cousin and her husband. And we're gonna go have just a quick, not quick because it's an hour, but a nice long gym session together. These eye patches, they're so cute. They have like this little like glitter hue to them. These are from the, I think they're Korean, the Beauty of Joseon brand. They're really nice. They're very, very liquidy, like drenched in hyaluronic acid and something else that I don't remember right now. I'm gonna have to read the label, but I don't put them in the, these I don't put in the fridge. These I keep in my bathroom like shelf because I love putting them on also after I shower at night. Like right before I go to bed, I slap them on. They kind of just sink into your skin and you can literally feel your under eyes, like almost like a water splash of hydration. I don't know how to explain it. And obviously, like, this isn't sponsored. This isn't like gifted. I bought it from Amazon. I think I bought a 2-pack. I love these to have, not in the fridge, not for like a morning slap on. For, you know, like cold, whatever. This type of eye patch, I don't know, I love having them by my bathroom shelving so that I could just slap them on anytime I'm out of the shower or whatever. It just feels so nice, like this quench of hydration my skin is needing. So I don't know. Anywho, heading to the gym. I'll talk to you guys later. I gotta put the camera away. Bye. I'm gonna go in. This is the Skin 1004 or 1004. I don't know what people call it, but this is the Madagascar Centella Probio Sicca Intensive Ampoule. For bed, it's literally midnight. My Oura ring is probably pissed at me. Need to lay horizontal. We're also going to Couch Rock tomorrow. We watched like 3 movies in total today, I think. I'm going to lay down. Probably, I'm not gonna lie, either doom scroll or do a little reading, very light, just to like relax my mind, and then hit the head because I do want to wake up early. But I'll pick up the camera tomorrow because I do have to change the battery. And like I said, it is midnight, so I can't be here for long. So good night, and I will see you tomorrow. Where's the snow? Where is the snow? Where is the apocalyptic blizzard we were gonna get? I think my son is more disappointed than anyone else. So is my cat. She's showing a lot of anger. She's pissed there's no blizzard. Tell him, Kiwi. This is crazy. This whole blizzard situation is insane. Because where is the blizzard? It's hilarious, actually, I think. But I'm out of my coconut colt. I finished it yesterday, I think, was my last. Yeah, right before the gym was my last little bit left. And I'm gonna use you guys as a mirror. My poor son is so devastated that he's like, it's not a lot of snow. I'm like, there is no snow. That's ice. That's literally ice outside. I'm gonna make coffee, see what they want for breakfast when they get back. Guys, this vlog is the weirdest vlog. I think I'm gonna incorporate like 2 weekends because I don't know, like I don't think my weekdays are that interesting unless I'm doing something specific that I'll film. But I really just go to the office, come back home, go to the gym, and that's it. But it's Tuesday. I didn't vlog at all yesterday. We ended up having to stay home on Monday because everything was just frozen over, and I fought my car for 30 minutes trying to open it and warm it up today, so it was crazy. Went back into the office today, everything was fine. Kind of slow because a lot of people are still trying to get back into it. But yeah, it's so cold. It says it feels like negative whatever Fahrenheit. It's freezing. But we're getting ready to go to the gym. And I don't know if we're eating out or cooking at home, but we'll figure that out. So I'll keep you guys tuned. Kiwi, what did my sheets do to you? Ma'am, hey. What did my sheets do to you? What? Oh. Showing them your yoga poses? I do yoga. My name is Kiwi and I fight with sheets. Oh. But we've got the colors. I look like shit. I'm so excited. So I had a little balance left, like a little credit left on a Sephora gift card. Yeah, they ended up canceling the other one because it showed that it was in stock, but it wasn't in stock. When I ended up hitting checkout, whatever, I got the mini, I love a mini, and I got the mini Say Do Blush. Does this work? Yes, it does. Curious. Oh my god. If this is not the cutest thing. It's so tiny. Let's test it out while we're here on camera. She's stunning. This is the cutest baby pink. The name says it all, baby. Oh my god, I love this. I don't know if you can tell. I mean, it gave me like a pinky, fleshy, nice tone. But let me change.
That's good.
Good?
Yeah.
What a feast.
That's good. Chloe was good.
And it's creamy.
What's that called? Rice pudding?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see.
I didn't know this. So pretty.
Whole milk, rice.
Try it.
Oh, look at the. Do not rinse some uncooked rice. It removes the starch that's needed to make it creamy.
Guys, this is looking like a delicious feast, and we're about to go eat.